Hello! Welcome to the video. Today I'll be unboxing the Battle of Endor Heroes brickhead set. It's got 5 of them in here. Luke Skywalker, R2-D2, Lando Calrissian, Wicket, and Princess Leia. Let's get started. And here we are. So, the figure looks pretty cool, and I didn't have all too much trouble with it. This piece is interesting. Wonder if anything cool would be able to be done with this. I'm not sure. Probably not, but yeah, if you think of anything, tell me in the comments down below. Anyway, let's go on to the next one. And now it is time for R2-D2. Let's get started. And here is R2-D2. I really like the design for the legs. I like the color here. It's very shiny. Yeah. So anyway, let's get to the next one. And now it's time to build Lando Calrissian. Let's get to it. And here we are. I really like the way they did this cape. His hair is very nice. Overall, pretty good. Let's get to the next one. And here we are. Time to build Wicket. Let's get started. And here we are. Overall, pretty good figure. Printing over here. I like the spear. The hood is nice. Anyway, on to the next one. And here is Princess Leia. Let's get started. And here we are. So, overall, pretty good. I don't know why she's holding a cookie. If anyone knows, please tell me. Maybe it's a reference to the Christmas calendar thing. Advent calendar, why did I call it that? Anyway, it might be a reference to that, but I don't think this takes place in the same time. So yeah. That is the figure. Now, let's get them all up here. And here they all are together. There we go. Luke Skywalker, Lando Calrissian, Princess Leia, R2-D2, Wicket. Meant to say and there. They're all pretty good. I like the building techniques that were used, and here's a Lego shelf update. I need to upgrade the shelf, actually, because there is not much room. So anyway, back to the video. That is all. Bye.